BrandSoft Landing. Toy figure type stuffed toy. MaterialPolyester. Assembly RequiredNo. Manufacturer minimum age 18.0. Model name NameDarling Duo. Sit back and relax into the comfy arms of a sweet seat. And now you can share in the cuddles with your favorite sitting buddies. Darling Plush Duo. A 2-in-1 never looked so cute. This plush and chair bundle makes a perfect photo op for capturing those oh so adorable, picture-perfect moments. Tuck your treasures and tech in your new favorite seat's side pockets, or use the handle to carry from room to room or out the door. Complete that bedroom theme or give a gift that will be remembered and loved for years to come. Age recommendation. Darling Duos are suitable for children 18 months and older. Top reviews from the United States. So soft. My great-granddaughter just loves her elephant chair.